Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Tell us your morning, Faves.
Good morning. Good morning, Faith.
Morning, guys.
Tell her why you're talking so low. Say good morning, Faves. Say good morning, Faves. No?
Yes.
Yes, you have to talk loud so Faves can hear you.
Good morning, Faith.
Right. Yes, that's it. Good job. Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful day out today. We have a little blue skies with some little clouds hanging on here and there, but
at least you see the blue.
exactly nothing like the week has been. It has been a rainy week, non-stop raining. I think Wednesday and Halloween was the only day that it hung on for us to have a little fun and then get back home. But it's Saturday, we're out and about and going to run some errands, going to the supermarket shopping and handle some business and yada yada yada. So we're out and about, which means we're alive and we're well and we're doing good. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys will enjoy your weekend, whatever it is that you are doing today, whether it's just staying home lounging around or you guys are going out. Have fun doing it.
We're going to the supermarket and after we're going into toy store to buy a new Play-doh.
Oh, listen, this kid, he doesn't forget anything. In the week, hold on, let me tell you the story. In the week, he asked me for Play-doh and I said to him that the Play-doh is drying out, so when we go to the supermarket, Mama will buy him a new set of Play-doh. And he woke up this morning and keep nagging me with it, and I tried to swerve him and send him to babe, and he's not letting up. Okay, he's not letting up. He keeps talking about it. He wants his new Play-doh, and even though I said to him this morning that don't worry, you'll get a new set for Christmas, he said yes, I'll get a new set at Christmas, but we're going to the toy store to get a new one today. And I told him that from way in the week, and it's the weekend now. Okay, so you want your Play-doh? Oh Lord, I'll try. I'm not sure about it, but let's see. It's my fault, this boy. Anyway, you guys, listen, this kid is hilarious. We are heading out to get some stuff done. Here Tyler told you our schedule, so that's what we'll be doing today, to the supermarket and toy store. Winks. Yeah, so just stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we are heading out. Okay, have a good day, y'all. I come back to the fruits and veggie supermarket this morning just to look for plums, so let's see if I'll find any. Oh, look at these, how big they are. Oh my gosh, they're so big. Jeez.
Like you see,
You guys are giving away free cotton candy, but Tyler is not a fan. He's not a fan. He doesn't like it. Go, Larry. Ah, you're gonna pull up all of it. Come, let's go get the Play-doh.
I'm trying to make you go in the store.
I haven't eaten this in years. Years I haven't ate this thing in forever because I'm not a fan. It's just too sweet.
Every time I'm come here, I'm just looking if I see the one.
So Tyler won. Tyler got his patamodle. Babe have it in his hand. He got patamodle is Play-doh in English, if you guys wondering what that is. And he got balloon. He got his Play-doh and he's happy. Sexy. 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 No, Tyler is sexy legs, right, Ty? Tyler is sexy legs and Papa is sexy, right, Tyler? Right, Ty? Where you going? This way. Come, Ty. Watch me and you. Tyler say, watch me and you. Say, watch me and you.
Watch me and you.
Good thing is, we're in there and that.
Shut up, man. Watch me and you. Come, Ty.
Can't learn that.
Watch me and you. And him giving the slap same time, you know, because he know that's what I would do. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. He's threatening, babe. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. Tell us, say, watch me and you, Papa.
Watch me and you, Papa.
Watch me and you. Ah, he's so funny with his Jamaican patois. He's hella funny. Watch me and your Papa. Say sexy, Papa, sexy. Say, Papa, you're sexy. Say, Papa, sexy. And Tyler is sexy legs. Tyler, sexy legs. Oh my God. They have changed up our supermarket. They've extended it and it's now so big and we can't find the things that we want. We have to be walking around try to find the things because they're not where they used to be. So now everything is kind of hard to find. I'm actually trying to see if I find coconut milk right now. I think I'm gonna take this one. I think I tried this one once and I wasn't a big fan of it. But let me try this one. I didn't even get to show you guys what we were picking up, so let me show you real quick before we hash. So we got yogurt, sausages, water ice cream for Tyler, even though it's cold time and we still love that. They pick up frozen pizza. They wanted Tyler to try these, so he got those. I got these little snacks for myself. I got brioche. I got gnocchi. This is what gnocchi look like before we cook it, you guys, if you guys are wondering. We got Tetley English tea because I love this. We got M&M. We got salmon. Chocolate milk for Tyler. We got quinoa, of course. They love chocolate cookies.
I love that.
Seasonings. I love this shrimp that's already cooked. I always buy them. This oatmeal bread I always buy for myself. And chicken, always buy whole chicken. And filet mignon and pork. Broccoli's in this. And I bought me some shredded carrot. Some tangerine for Tyler to go to school. And okay, peppers and fries. Tea beer. It's time for lunch.
I'm not
Who called you tea beer? Who give you that name?
Mommy.
Yes. That's how my mom call him, tea beer. So mama not to call it tea beer?
Un sou de vin. Bonjour, je veux prendre un menu enfant.
So we're
Oui, un menu enfant.
look at this. Just look at this.
Nuggets, frites, coca et croque-pomme. Un garçon. Est-ce que vous avez des wraps ou pas?
Sexy.
No.
Sexy.
And next.
You are sexy legs. Papa is sexy.
What's you?
I'm not
Extra sexy.
yet.
Super sexy. No, mama is super sexy, papa is sexy, and you're sexy leg.
I'm not sexy yet.
So what are you?
I'm a boy.
You're a boy? He's so funny. We can't come to this mall and Tyler don't get to ride his car. Beep beep. Ty. Hello. Drive. Vroom vroom. Hello. You guys, look at that beautiful sunset. Let me see if I can catch that. It's so pretty. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Very pretty. So pretty. You guys, Tyler's in his room creating masterpieces from his Play-doh, and he wanted to show you guys what he's been doing with his new Play-doh. So he mixed all the colors. What color did you got? What color Play-Dohs did you got? What color?
Blue, red, white, yellow.
Yeah, and you mix them all, and what are you making?
I'm doing something.
Yeah, so tell me what?
I'm doing something. With Mama, I'm doing something.
He's very passionate when
Mama,
he's working, you know.
Mama,
Yes?
look. Wait, I'm doing something. Wait, I'm doing a burger.
You doing a burger?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Come here with me. Come. Wait. Up.
Oh, so you made two sandwich, that's a two bread for the burger?
Yes.
Cool.
This
Your
is
burger
a
is-
candy.
Okay, cool.
Oh, listen. Only I have to make. Only I have to make. Regarde des frites partout.
Oh, those are all fries?
Yes.
Okay. Your fries, they're very colorful. I like them. They must be tasty.
Mama,
Yes.
wait. I'm doing something with the Play-doh to
Oh.
mix it like this. Look
Okay.
at me.
Okay, I'm looking at you.
Toddler.
Wow. Wow. Okay, so now this is for the burger.
Yes.
Oh, and now the burger is completed. Wow. Your burger is so nice. Can I have a bite?
Wait, we need the bowl.
You need more things on the burger?
Yes. In the top.
Okay, all right. I guess it's not ready. But your burger is little and cute. I like it.
No, we need something on the top.
All right, put something on the top.
Up. This is a bowl.
Nice. Wow.
We need some mayo
You need mayo
and ketchup.
and ketchup and what else?
We need ketchup. First we need the ketchup.
Oh, so that's the ketchup.
And
Okay.
this is mayo.
Okay, and that's the mayo, and you realize the colors he chose. Wow. So now that's the burger. Can I have a bite? Wow, this looks so yummy.
And
Look at his burger he made.
I love this
How creative.
one.
So this is the burger and this is the fries. I love your imagination. I like it. This boy is going to become a restaurant owner, a chef or something. Okay, he's following right in Mama's footstep. All right. Look at him. Look at him.
Look. Look.
Anyway, you guys, I am going to leave Tella because I'm hungry. I need to look food. Yes?
Look.
What you making again?
I'm doing something to eat.
What are you doing? What is the name of this something?
Nugget.
Nuggets. Okay, because the nuggets have to go with the fries, right? And the burger.
And the fries too.
Okay, all right. Mama is going to leave you now, okay? You're doing a very good job. Continue. Keep it up. Bravo. The things you do when you have kids. Tyler said he wanted to make a tent, so we make a tent. And we're all under here. Hi. Stella, say hi, Faves. Tell the Faves where you are.
I'm in the cabana.
Caban is what they call tent in French. So I guess there you guys have the French word for today. So we're under the covers. We use covers and makeshift tent on the floor in the living room. Angeli and the boss online.
The bus online.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
No, you're too sexy. Put on your pajama.
I'm not too sexy.
You're not too sexy?
No.
Too much sexiness showing right now. Yes.
Papa is sexy. Papa is
But yes, Papa is very sexy. A whole lot of sexy.
Papa is sexy and me I'm sexy.
Right. And Mama is what? Extra sexy.
What you should have come from himself. No.
Leave him alone. Mama is extra sexy, right? Right, Tad? Mama is not extra sexy? What is Mama? A girl? Alright, I'll take it.
It's just a random.
Alright, the shade. Thanks for the shade. Alright, tell Fizz bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Tomorrow.
We're wrapping up the night, but first, I haven't given you guys a Dear Pastor discussion in a while.
Oh, yes.
So, tonight shall be what?
Dear Pastor.
Dear Pastor.
Dear Pastor.
This is a Dear Pastor that we're going to do tonight. Let's go. It says, young lover left me because I didn't buy him a car. Hear what this
car.
woman, yes, hear what this woman writes into Dear Past and say. She's 50 years old.
50?
50, and she's a
Okay.
widow. Means her
Okay,
husband died,
yeah.
right? My husband died leaving me in a good position, which means you have money and stuff like that. I was alone for 2.5 years after he died, but I got involved with a driver who takes me everywhere, anywhere I want to go. Every week he was in my skin, so I decided to give him a try. He is 35 years old. One day he asked me for a loan and I told him that I could not give him a loan. He explained that he wanted to buy a new car, and if I didn't want to give him the loan, I could buy the car in my name. I did not give him the loan and I told him that I did not want to buy a new car. Suddenly, he was not interested in me anymore and he stopped attending church. He even started to tell people that I am putting questions to him and he doesn't want me. What should I do?
Leave him alone. Let him go. No, that's something we discussed in the past, like being with people with interest. Obviously the man was with her like because she had money, because of things like this. So once she stopped and she were right to say no, because if she have said yes, she will get tricked. Because trust me, if she have said yes, that would be the first step. I mean, the guy will get a car and then you will ask for helicopter and then you will ask for, then after you will say, oh, you know, with my car I need my TV just stopped to work and I need a brand new TV. It's not like the man say my TV stopped to work and then I need a small baby TV too. No, I need a brand new big TV. Same thing for the car. I'm sure it wasn't a regular car. I think it was a super nice car. So
first things first,
she did right. Let him go. Don't even ask their pastor.
Exactly. She shouldn't even ask dear pastor anything because she's a grown-ass 50-year-old woman.
And obviously she said the man stopped to go to church because I think
he was only going to church because he had to take her to church. Okay?
So, no, continue. You look like a nice woman. You did a good choice. And if you're looking for a man, have some. Nah. No, you did the right choice.
My opinion, first things first, she shouldn't have got involved with him.
No, she didn't.
Don't mix business with pleasure. You work for me, don't get involved with me. Don't mix business with pleasure. It sounded like he was waiting for her husband to die so he could dive in. As far as I'm concerned, she did well by not giving him that loan. And if she had bought that car, he would be splurging in that car on somebody else. So she did well. Woman, let that man go and never hire him back. Don't even be friend with him, okay? That's just my take. Comment down below and let us know what you would have done in this case. It's obvious that
kick him out.
He didn't want to be around her because if her husband died and leave her in a good position, that she have somebody chauffeuring her around, which means she have the means of one, getting anybody she wants. So why she get involved with her driver? And two, obviously she have money. And he knows she have money.
If you have a driver, you have money.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying, and he knows that.
Right, so the man was just there.
Right.
Maybe at first he wasn't by interest, but then he crossed the line. And no, you crossed the line, man. No, but sometimes, you know, I understand that maybe at work, like you know, by being a driver, you also 100 most of your time with the person. Like when you see
that's true, but
a singer that fall in love with one of her dancers or things like this.
That's true, but so he obviously didn't have good intentions, right. And work is work.
So that's why not good intention. let him go.
Age is just a number. The fact that she's 50 and he's 35.
That don't even
age
come
is just
into
a
my
number, but he didn't have good intentions.
Yeah,
He
the
don't
age
have good
don't
intentions at all.
come into the discussion in terms of, doesn't matter if it was
Just let him
25,
go,
35, 45, 65, same thing.
If she had given him that loan, she wouldn't get back her money.
The man
She wouldn't see the light of day. Probably he would have
it disappeared.
Exactly, he would have disappeared,
Or
and she
would
would
ask
never see
something
him again.
else right away just after.
Exactly. So anyway, you guys, that's our views on it. Comment down below and let us know what you think. And yes, I'll be doing more Dear Pasta more often. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Catch up and keep up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.